Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at a commonly used application, Google Docs. And when you look at the app details, you'll notice that there are triggers, actions, and searches for Google Docs, so there are lots of integrations. One thing that Google Docs does not do extremely well by itself is to work with some of the other applications within Google. For example, if you wanted to create a text file in Google Docs for every email that matched a search, you wouldn't be able to do that strictly using Google. However, you can do it using Zapier. And so we're going to click Use this Zap. And what this will do for us is that it will keep records of ingoing and outgoing emails that match a specific search parameter. And of course, this can be helpful to us depending on what kind of market that we are in. So we're going to start the process by creating this Zap. So the trigger is going to be that we receive a new email by a search string that we determine. So we're now going to connect the Gmail account that we want to use. So once we have the Gmail, we'll then click Test. We'll confirm that the test has been rendered, and then we'll click Save and Continue. So we're going to pick a subject that we'd want to create a document about. In this particular case, we're going to use the search term Zapier. Now again, this has nothing to do with the course, and this will be peculiar to you. So in other words, you will use the search term that's most relevant to you and your business or organization. Once we click Continue, Zapier will ask us to make sure that we have at least one email matching the search criteria. And what we're going to do is we're now going to click Fetch and Continue. Zapier confirms that we have a successful test. We'll now click Continue. And of course, we're going to create a document from text, so we're going to click Continue. And now we're going to select a Google Docs account. We'll allow Google to operate our account, and then we'll click Allow. We'll then click the test, verify that it's successful, and then click Save and Continue. So what we're going to do now is we're going to give our document a title every time that it actually is placed inside of Google Docs, as well as content to be placed inside of the document. Once we do that, we'll then click Continue. We're then ready to send a test to Google Docs. And our test document is now sent. We'll then click Finish. Once we do that, our Zap will be officially turned on. And we'll then confirm that we have our new Zapier information doc that was created from a specific email. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.